Hello and welcome to another version of Train Spotting with me, Ferryhill Train Spotter. Today I am at Ferryhill Station, South Junction. Now the reason I'm here is hopefully I'm going to try and get this new test train for the new trains for next year on the East Coast. I think it's called Amazon or whatever, but hopefully I'll see it. It's due past here at 5 to 2, so hopefully I'll be able to see it. Today we'll be seeing services by Cross Country, Virgin Trains, TransPennine Express, and hopefully with a bit of luck some freight. So let's see what shall turn up at Ferryhill South Junction. And the first train to catch is, would you believe it, it's a freight train. And it's a class 67. So as I say, I'll get the number as soon as it passes, if I can. I'll have to try and do it the one side. And it's 66708. So it's a class 66. And that freight train was going from Doncaster to North Blythe. The next train to pass by is another freight train. And I'll get and I'll get the number when it passes. It's a single one, so it's going a bit fast. It's and it's 66710. And that's going from Tyne Coalyard to Doncaster. Right, we have two trains coming here. We have the Liverpool Lime Street to Newcastle TransPennine Express, and we have a Virgin East Coast service coming through. So I'll try and get one of them. I can get the TransPennine Express service number. It's 85118. And that Virgin East Coast service coming from Edinburgh to London. Now, with Bill luck, the next train to pass through will be the test train for the new trains for next year. So hopefully we'll catch it. And finally, the new test train has arrived. These are the new trains what's going to pass through every day from next year. Let's see if I can get a little tone off him. No tone. Can't be. I think it's 800001. But they are the new. That is the new trains for next year on the East Coast Main Line. I've always ever since it started to do testings, I've always wanted to catch it. So hopefully I can catch it a bit more often. The next train to pass by is a cross country service from Newcastle to Guildford. Now, as this comes, I'm going to say this. That is all from me at Ferryhill South Junction. My next video will be with Scouse Train Spotter 1999 at Newcastle and Darlington. Now that will be next Saturday, so for his 900 sub special, and I won't be able to get the thing, but there's that one. So as I say, the next video will be from Ferryhill, from Darton and Newcastle with train Scouse Spotter, Scouse Train Spotter 1999 for his 900 sub special. So that will be next Saturday, and hopefully the video will be up sometime on the Monday or Tuesday, the videos for them 2 stations. So that's all. So thank you and goodbye.